So we're gonna take this Tilbury concealer and pat it on my eye. I'm going to use my Nikki Rose N16 brush and tap it on the lid all over. Move it out. And we're going to do the other side as well. Get in the corners. Go all the way up to your brow bone.
Do you have the other truck in your car?
Yeah.
In your bag?
Yeah, it's in my purse. Make sure it's all even. And then we're gonna set it with some setting powder. Which would be the L'Oreal Mercier. Set it. You can definitely tell the difference from when something is set versus when it's not. It takes all that shine and greasiness look away. Alright, don't want to overdo it. This is enough.
Towels and stuff that were outside in the wash machine for this
Why?
steam sanitize.
Huh?
Stuff you had out here from the puke.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'll be back. I
Love you. So using the Charlotte Tilbury palette, this is called Pillow Talk. Not gonna do anything too crazy. So this would be number 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm only gonna use 2 of them. I'm gonna use my finger for this one. Just gonna wet it some. I kind of want a nice wet look on the eyelid. So I'm gonna do. This is nice for if you want a little bit of daytime makeup on. You can use just this shimmer eyeshadow for the eyelid, and that is really gonna help keep your makeup bright. Your eyes are gonna look nice and fresh without it being too much. So I went in and put this shade on. I applied it with my finger, and now I'm just gonna put a little bit more of it on with my brush. There's not too much of a difference between the two that I just did. And now we're just gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna use this as my transition color. And I'm starting it right above my lid. And I'm gonna keep this area open because we're gonna go in with my liquid eyeliner. I'm just going back and forth, light touch. Keeping this area free of eyeshadow. If you have hazel eyes, this palette will be really, really nice. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of depth in the corner here. Sorry, you can't see, but I'm just gonna bring it in a bit. I'm just flicking this corner out some, smoke it out, so we don't have that harsh line. Just bring it in a bit. Connect it all together. And then repeat and do the same. This year, I went through all my makeup and honestly threw out so much because it was so old. There was a time where I barely touched any eyeshadow, any eyeliner, like any, all my makeup I didn't touch for so long. Kind of went through a phase of not wearing much. And I'm just fluffing this out the corner here. You don't want any harsh lines. All of this is a light touch. Like that. And then now we're gonna go in with eyeliner. This is my NARS. So yeah, I threw everything out because it was old and expired. I didn't want to give it away because it was old and expired. So now my collection is all new stuff. So I have a tiny collection, which I don't need much at all. But it is nice to play with new things like eye palettes, new lipsticks, blush. It's been fun. Okay, so now my eyeliner, I want it to be not thin. I want it to go in nice and tight in the corner of my eyes, and then a nice winged out wing. Kind of like Princess Jasmine in Aladdin. So that's what we're going for. So I'm gonna start on the inside and work my way out. I'm gonna start in the middle here. Using my pinky to hold my balance with my hand. I feel like when it comes to makeup, anytime you're doing your makeup, your face, your cheeks, your eyes, everything is with a light touch for me. So now that we have our inner eye and all that done, now we're gonna work on the corner. And now we're gonna work the wing. So I look at myself straight on and I look to find my last eyelash, kind of where it flicks out, and that is going to be my guideline for where I start the wing of the eyeliner. I'm using the very tip of this brush . Now that we are connected, we are good. Never stretch out your skin. It's not what I'm doing here, but There, so that is one wing. I like it. I am happy with it. Now we're gonna do the next side. And this is the part, the real hard part, is matching your other side. For eyebrows, they're not sisters, they're cousins, but with wings, they've gotta be sisters. So, for me, they've gotta be sisters. So the last thing you want is one wing to be higher than the other. We don't want that. So here we go. Same technique. And I'm gonna explain this eyeliner because of how the tip is. And this will help you a lot for doing your eyeliner. The lighting looks different. It's because I opened the shade on my window. It was getting a little too dark in here for me. So I opened that up, so it might be a little bit brighter or not, I don't know. But we're working with it, okay? So, the hard part, the pressure. Okay, here we go. The last lash is your guide. All right, that looks pretty good. All right. That looks shiny. Now we can add some mascara. Start at the root of your eyelashes and wiggle them up. Then I work the tips. All right, guys, so that is my makeup look. I've already done my face, my cheeks, a little bit of contouring and bronzer on my forehead. Sorry, I'm breastfeeding Zach. Okay, and then for my eyes, did something light on my lid and a little bit of deepening on the outer corners, and then really gave myself a nice thick wing eyeliner, thick for me. And we also went in with eye mascara, and I did not fill in my eyebrows, which you can if you want. I didn't. And then I had my lips outlined, which totally came off because I was eating ice cream with my son. So that's what we got. And yeah, overall, not too mad at the look and how it came out. I would wear this look if it was, I would wear this look daytime or nighttime. Yep. Let's touch up the lips so I can show you guys. So the lip that I'm using is Carly Bible, and the pencil is called Carly. Just overline them just a little bit. Okay, that's as good as it's going to get. A little something that I did different today, which I've never done, is take my concealer brush and just lightly smooth out the liner. The reason why I did this, because I kind of wanted to diffuse the lip liner into my lips. I don't wear lipstick, only wear lip glosses. So I'm gonna go in with this new lip gloss that I got from my cousin. It's called Lip Injection by Too Faced. Lip gloss. And this color is called Say My Name. And I really like this color. In my whole collection of lip glosses, I literally have 2. Okay? Put your lips together. Okay. Yeah, it looks so good when you diffuse the lip liner. This is a nice, soft, romantic look. Going out for dinner, whatever the case may be. Honestly, daytime or nighttime type of look. So, and that's it. Simple makeup with a little bit of eye makeup. You guys gotta hear this. Good job. You feel better? All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and leave me a comment down below if you're a new mom, if you're in your postpartum phase, whatever phase of motherhood you're in. Please comment and let's share some mom tips, some mom hacks, and build this community together. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your day, your night, whenever you're watching this. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in my next video. Let's change your diaper. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.